Oh, hi! My name is Tony Bancroft, and I'm an animator or director with over 30 years animation experience, mostly at Disney, many at Warner Brothers also, and other studios like Sony too. And as an animator at Disney, having worked on Lion King and Pumbaa the Warthog, Emperor's New Groove, I did Kronk, I did Iago and Aladdin, I did all these different characters over the years, including co-directed Disney's Mulan. I learned a lot about performance and how to create life in a character through a pose. I'm doing this video series because I want to help you guys with a problem that I had when I was a young junior artist. I could draw a character and maybe even come up with some interesting character designs thanks to books and tutorials, but I never knew how to pose them or how to bring life to them. That number one question, what do I do with my hands? And things like that with my characters. Thanks to 21 Draw, I've been able to bring this tutorial series to you to take you step by step, my own thinking process that I've learned over many years in the animation industry about how to bring a character to life, to create that illusion of life, which is the goal of animation, right? So join me as we go deeper into posing characters with personality. There's Pumbaa. I created him.